In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks online paid subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're switching to a different service or just taking a break from QuickBooks, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. To do this, head over to the QuickBooks website and locate the Sign In button. It should be prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Once there, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. QuickBooks offers various services, so it's important to select the right one to access your subscription details. If you have a QuickBooks Online account, click on that option to proceed. Next, it's time to type in your credentials. These are the username and password you typically use to log into your account. After entering this information, click the Continue button to proceed. Now that you're successfully logged in, look for the Settings option. This is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings will bring up a drop down menu with various options related to your account. From the drop down menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. This area holds all the details about your current subscription, including billing information and options for managing your plan. Once in the Subscriptions and Billing section, you'll see an option to cancel your subscription. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. QuickBooks may ask you some questions about why you're cancelling. They do this to improve their services, so feel free to provide a response or skip these questions if you prefer. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You might be required to complete a short survey or verify your decision to cancel. Be sure to read through any information provided during this process so you fully understand the terms of cancellation and any implications it might have, such as losing access to your account data after a certain period. After you've confirmed the cancellation, you'll receive a notification or email from QuickBooks confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Be sure to keep this confirmation for your records. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your QuickBooks online paid subscription. If you ever decide to return, you can easily resubscribe by logging back into your account and selecting a new plan. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. See you next time.